What are the contribution rates? All contributions will be based on a percentage of the employee's gross salary, and to help with the extra cost, they'll be phased in over 10 years. Employee and employer contributions will start at 1.5% for years 1 to 3, and will increase by 1.5% every 3 years until 6% is reached in year 10. Instead of tax relief, the state will pay a top-up contribution of 0.5% in years 1 to 3, rising by 0.5% every 3 years until 2% is reached in year 10. To be clear, this phasing in will take place in the first decade of auto-enrollment, not in the first 10 years of an employee's career. All new employees joining after year 10 will start at the 6% rate. All contributions will be calculated on the employee's gross salary before deductions. This means that anything that's included in gross pay will be assessed for the contribution rate. To help ease the cost, contributions will be calculated up to a maximum gross salary of €80,000. Here's an example of the contribution amounts for an employee who's earning €20,000 a year. Employee and employer contributions will be €300 per year for the first few years, rising incrementally over the 10 years to €1,200. The state contribution will be €100 per year for the first few years, rising to €400 in year 10. That's a total of €15,400 paid into the employee's pot for the first 10 years, and that's before investment returns are factored in. So you can see how quickly an employee's savings can build up. For more information, you can visit our website, gov.ie/auto-enrollment. Here you'll find the latest up-to-date information, further information for employees and employers, and a list of our most frequently asked questions.